So, hey everybody. I wanted to follow up on a video from a few days ago or a few weeks ago. I don't know. Time blindness sucks. But I was on here asking for writer and authorial advice from the TikTok community on a specific writing problem I was having. And if you need context, go watch the part 1 on my account, I guess. I promise I wasn't trying to procrastinate. I wasn't avoiding it. I've been trying to get back to it ever since. But in the time since I posted and now, the response has been nuts, crazy. The amount of support and the advice and the helpful tips and just the overall sense of community, it's I'm not gonna lie, I've been kind of overwhelmed by it. And hearing it from a bunch of individuals who I share a kinship with and are like-minded people who do a lot of the same things that I do, that meant a lot to me. Not to short sell the people who are already in my corner, the friends and family who do already support me. I love them all dearly, and I appreciate every moment that they give to me. Or the creative friends that I already have who are, well, they're irreplaceable. But this felt special, and it's in a way that I can't quite pinpoint yet. It was just very gratifying to get that kind of advice from all of you. Some of that advice, though, if I'm being honest with everybody, lines up with things I've already been told, which means I've probably had the answers all along, and I probably owe some people an apology or two. But seriously, from the bottom of my big dumb heart, I thank you all for what you did. It meant the world to me, and I won't soon forget it. I'm trying to channel that into motivation and art and not self-doubt or terror. I thought about going into explaining the issue a little bit more, but I kind of feel like that's saved best for another day, if ever, and it's kind of grim and complicated, and this just feels more like a happy occasion. So instead, I wanted to thank everybody in some way. I think this qualifies as a thank you. Some people might consider it a punishment. I don't know. I've never done this before. Let's say the first 10 people who want it, I will give you a free digital copy of my novella. The first 10 people to comment or IM me or something, you get it free of charge. As soon as I find it somewhere. I can't guarantee you it will be fancy, but I can guarantee you it will take up space on your hard drive. Now, I would like it if you could go to my Amazon page and leave a review, but there's no obligation. I feel like that would be a really poor thank you. A thank you with conditions and fine print. I wouldn't want someone to do that to me. Of course, if someone wanted to leave a review or buy or gift a copy on my Amazon page, I wouldn't hate that. In all seriousness, though, thank you again for all the kind words and encouragement. I'm already trying to put it to good use. I would like some ADHD meds, though, please, if anyone is interested in doing that for me.